Today we're doing grilled salmon on the barbecue. It's with the skin on, and today it's just going to be lemon, butter, and dill. Dill from the garden, fresh butter, lemon, with 3 different kinds of carrots. We have the purple carrots, we have orange carrots, and we have what we call white carrots. We're also doing potatoes. But this recipe for the carrots is really simple. They're baked, they're double wrapped. You put butter. You can use margarine. If you don't have butter, use margarine. Now I'm going to season it. It's just salt and pepper and a little bit of garlic powder. Now, the key to having a good glazed carrot is sugar. And it works very well with butter. I'm putting 1 tablespoon. And I'm just going to shake it on top of the butter and the carrots. Now I'm going to close this up. I'm going to double wrap. Why? It's because if it's too hot, it will burn. What I'm going to do though is I'm going to make just a couple of holes. That's to let some of the steam out. It's going to go between the 2 layers. This way, the carrots won't be sitting in water. The steam will come out. It'll go to the second layer. The second layer would evaporate it. Next step is potatoes. I take a foil pack, and it's simple. I take a big potato, I cut it in half. And these are new potatoes, so they cook very quick. In 20 minutes, they're done. I take olive oil and vegetable oil. Just a little bit, not too much, so it doesn't stick. I'm gonna add some salt and pepper for seasoning. Now we close it up. And if you have too many, don't overload your packs. If there are too many, then you can't close it, it won't cook right. Because we had green beans and they're nice, I'm gonna do what we call a foil pack. You can leave the little stem on, or you can sit there and break them off. What we're gonna use though is butter. The butter is gonna be the flavor. I'm gonna add a little seasoning, not much, and just a tablespoon of oil, because it will lower the smoke point of the butter. Butter has a tendency of burning faster than oil. We seal it. So this is fresh dill. This came from the garden. I grew this year, and I'm just going to give it a rough chop. Once you just give it a little rough cut, I have our salmon, and this salmon has the skin on, which is better for grilling because when you put it on, after 4 or 5 minutes, it won't stick to the grill and you can easily take it off. Some people like it crispy, you can leave it on for a few minutes longer. But now I'm just gonna season. All we're using is salt and pepper. And we literally just put dill on our salmon. Now I'm just gonna put a few slices of butter on top. This is going to add more flavor, and it also helps the fish from drying out. So now that we've seasoned it, I'm going to take a lemon. And all I'm going to do is juice it. The seeds will stay in my hand, and the juice will cover the fish. And it's that simple. Here we go. We could actually cook it just like this. On the skin side, it'll be what we call crispy skin. Crispy skin means the skin is crunchy. Today, we are going to flip it. Now the butter is melted, and this is the skin side. Now we're going to give it another 4 or 5 minutes. That is a nice salmon.